Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. 4th class students. So, children, yesterday, which lesson we have been started? That is Mysore, the city of palaces. So, I said places. So, not that is places. Sorry. First, I said palaces only. Again, I have repeated palaces. So, I am sorry very much. So, don't. It is not mistake. Just it is a palaces. So, at last also I told for you that is places. Sorry. So, here. So, then it is not big mistake. So, everyone will be make mistakes. But I told first Mysore, the city of palaces only. So, at last I have been forgotten. So, I told places. Place, P-L-A-C-E-S, places, palaces. They are palaces. Okay. So, the palaces. So, here yesterday we have, what we have learned? That is, yesterday we have learned here, okay. So, now we will learn about this. Yesterday we learned about Mysore, the city of palaces. So, here, yesterday, how is Mysore? It is a very situated in Karnataka. So, we have been learned. So, after that, who ruled? Who is the king of the Mysore? Tipu Sultan. So, listen carefully. These are the some points you keep in your mind. Keep in your mind. So, here, he was, so many, they were ruled by dynasties. Dynasties. So, he was Cholas, Chalukyas, Hoslas, Vijayanagaras, Huriyas. So, these are, who is ruled by the Tipu Sultan, powered ruled by Mysore too also. He is the tiger of Mysore. So, next, palaces of Mysore we have learned here. So, what are the palaces? It is very, how many, here lightings are there. So, how many? It is 97,000 bulbs they will lighted. So, Dasara. How the Dasara is celebrated in Mysore we have learned. So, today we are going to that is weather in Mysore. So, 16th lesson we have started. So, there we completed half the lesson. So, now we will continue the lesson, children. So, here, weather means Vatavarnam. We will tell the changing of weather. Now it is winter, summer. So, how the weather will change in Mysore? We will see, okay. How the weather changes in Mysore. Mysore is warm. Here, the Mysore is very warm. During summer and cool in winter. During summer, it is very వెచ్చగా ఉంటుంది. కూల్ ఇన్ వింటర్ యాజ్ యూజువల్. ద క్లైమేట్ ఈజ్ moderate and pleasant. It is very moderate and pleasant. The rain are moderate and the help to cool down the city. The rains will be moderate. It helps to cool down the city. Good drainage system make the proper drainage of rainwater, preventing water logging. So here there is proper. It is a very proper drainage system. There is very good drainage system. When the rainwater comes, it will flow from the drainage. It is very perfectly there. So water. So here he is telling in the Mysore the weather is very warm in summer, cool in winter. So here, if the rains come, the proper drainages are there in the Mysore to go to preventing the water from logging. So, Mysore receive rain from June to September. So, rains. So, here summer, it is warm. Cool, winter. So, here the rain is telling rainy season, June to September is telling. So, here we have been completed the weather in Mysore. How it will be weather in Mysore. ఎలా ఉంటుంది మైసూర్లో వెదర్. నౌ వి విల్ మూవ్ టు ద స్పెషాలిటీస్ ఆఫ్ మైసూర్. స్పెషాలిటీస్ ఏంటివి మైసూర్లో? ఓకే, స్పెషాలిటీస్ ఆఫ్ Mysore. A part of Dasra festival, Mysore is famous of sandalwood. What is the famous of Mysore? Sandalwood, Gandhap Chekka. It is very famous in Mysore. So here, a part of Dasra festival, Mysore is famous for sandalwood. This wood is very costly and rare as has distant perfume. మీకు తెలుసు గంధం ఎంత స్మెల్ వస్తుంది, అసలు అది దొరకదు. It will be not found. Okay, we will not found that one because it is very rare. చాలా తక్కువగా దొరుకుతుంది. So much of cost. It is very so much of costly. Sandal is known to the medicinal properties. It is known as sandalwood is known as it is a medicinal property. It is a medicinal property. So here it is a famous for sandalwood. Mysore is a famous for sandalwood. So here sandalwood అంటే మనకు తెలుసు అందరికి గంధం చెక్క. That is a very rare, చాలా తక్కువ దొరుకుతుంది. So it is a medicinal property. It is sandal is known as a medicinal properties. Ayurveda treatment is very popular here to attack people from other parts of India. Ayurvedic medicine is very, nowadays Patanjali, it is a main. So Ramdev Baba, he created one company, that is Patanjali shop. So here, like that only Ayurvedic treatment is very popular to attack people from other parts of India. Mysore is also known as silk fiber used to make sarees. So here it is one again silk fibers. It is used to make sarees. So the scented Mysore silk sarees are very famous. The word famous Brindavan garden also located close to Mysore. So here again the Brindavan garden also, it is famous and also near to Mysore. So these are sandalwood, fiber, silk fiber sarees. Next Brindavan garden is near to the Mysore. So how beautiful it is Mysore. Now you are knowing it. So Mysore is the famous tourist. So here Mysore is the famous tourist destination today, with the people flocking over from all parts of the world to carry back a piece of culture with the same as memory. So here what he is telling, Mysore is famous tourist. It is a very famous tourist destination, and it is a place where it is very, today the people is flocking over all parts from the world. They are carrying back a piece of culture with these memories, which the Mysore is a city of palaces. Next, moving to the 7th. So here specialities of Mysore. Mysore is cosmopolitan. So here Mysore is cosmopolitan. It is an cosmopolitan city with the people from many states and religions living in harmony. Here the people are coming from all over the states. They will be lived there. Okay. So next, there is a strong interest for the art and architecture and music among the people. Here there are strong interest, chala interest anamata in art. So here in art and architecture. So it is a music, everyone, it is a music among the people. So here music among the people, it is very interested ante chala they were చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఐఎమ్ సో ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ డ్యాన్స్, ఐఎమ్ సో ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ సింగింగ్. సో లైక్ దట్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద arc and architecture. Okay, next, the people of Mysore celebrate all festival with great harmony. They will be celebrated with a great harmony. Life in this culture city is peaceful. So in the Mysore, that is the culture of the city is very peaceful. Grand palaces, beautiful garden, and the majesty temples help to retain the old world charm of the Asian cities. Here, what is telling? Grand palaces. So here he is telling the grand palaces, beautiful gardens, majesties, temples. It all are the very charm of the Asian cities. So this is the Mysore Yoka Varnalu and how the beautiful it is, what the specialities they have, so how the celebrated Dasra, how they celebrate, and what the specialities and how the weather is there. So what is the palaces of Mysore we have learned. So what is the Mysore is famous for? Where it is situated in Karnataka. So it is famous for sandalwood. Okay, there. So this all you remember it. Okay. It is very important. So Mysore, it is a very important things are there in this. So you keep in your mind. So now we will move to the summative and formative assessment again, children. So again I will move to the summative and formative assessment. So first one is as usual question answers. Children, who was Mahishasura? So here bit number 2, we will go to the bit number 2. That is complete the sentences A, B, C, D, so E. So here A, B, C, D are there. I will read and write the answers, okay? No need to bother here. So first one is the Tiger of Mysore is the title given to the Tipu Sultan. So we have learned here in the paragraphs, that is, who is the Tiger of the Mysore? He is the Tipu Sultan. Beautiful gardens located close to the Mysore is Brindavan Garden. Recently we have learned here Brindavan Garden. So the sandalwood is a costly because, why it is costly? Because I will write it is very big. It is a costly because it is rare. అది చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. So it is rare, has medicinal properties, and has a distinct perfume. So this is the C1. So next moving to the D. Best collection of painting in South Indian can be found at Jagmohan Palace. Jagmohan Palace. So 3 main things Mysore is famous for. Dasra. So here 3 main things I told for you. Dashara festival. Next sandalwood. The third one is silk. So these 3 are very famous for that. So these are the complete the following sentences, children. So next we will move to the meanings and words again. Here about write the paragraph of Dasra Mysore ani icharu. So you can write it if you have interested. Please write in A4 size 5 paper. Take. You also celebrate Dasra. Everyone will celebrate Dasra in all over world. So write about Dasra. So match the meanings with the words. For the test using a para notes given. So first one meaning given. We have to write words. So just I will write the words. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. So here 6 are there. So we will see. First one is C. Got or obtained. King or ruled belonging to the same family, work of art, lighting different. So these are the 6 F words. E, A, B, C, D, F. 6. So we have to write the words. First one is seen. First one is seen. Seen came ostundi witnessed. witnessed, gotten obtained, arrived. King or rule belongs to the same family, dynasty. So work of art, articles. Next, lightning, illumination. This stack, different. This stack. So these are the words, meanings. So write down in your textbook. Okay, next pick out the words from the passage which mean the same as. So again, which are the same, we have to pick up and write the answers. So bit number 4. Important in history, monastery, evil monastery, and evil monastery celebrations during festivals, parades of people, where people from all areas can be founded. So first one is historical. The A one is historical. Write down in the dashes. B1 is demon. C1 is festivities. D1 is professions. Processions. Cosmopolitans. So these are the which the passage is same as. So next here children, we have been completed the 5 bits. Okay, so 5 bits we have been completed. So first one is we completed the sentences, meanings and words. Next pick up the words we have been completed. Here hot questions given. Tell the class about your favorite festival and how it is celebrated. My favorite festival enti the hot questions I am reading. Tell and write it about. Does the place you like in have any tourist attraction? Do many tourists visit your city or town? Which is the main season during? So here you has been go to attracting the ఏదైనా ఒక టూరిస్ట్ మీరు ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళారు, అది అట్రాక్షన్గా ఉంది. టు మెనీ విజిట్ యూ సో సిటీ ఆర్ టౌన్. విచ్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ సీజన్ డ్యూరింగ్ విచ్ దే లైక్ టు కమ్? హౌ డూ టూరిస్ట్ రీచ్ యువర్ సిటీ ఆర్ విలేజ్? సో హియర్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ హాట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. అగైన్ హాట్ యాక్టివిటీ. Collect the picture of palaces and stick them in your scrapbook. So here he given the project work we used to give for you, like that only given the scrapbook lo palaces ni collect chesi is asking to the each write a sentence about each of them. If you are interested you can do it children. So whatever I am saying not you must also do here. So children here we completed the summative and formative assessment, the Mysore the lesson. So here once I repeat the question answers questions. Who was Mahishasura? Name 5 dynasties who ruled by Mysore. Write 3 sentences about Mysore palaces. Why do we say that Mysore is a cosmopolitan city? Describe the weather in Mysore. These are the 5 question answers. Very easy. From the textbook you can choose it. If you keep the mind to your work, if you give mind to your work, you will write very easily question answers also. There is no need to tell for me. ఎంత ఈజీగా నేను చెప్పాను మీరు కూడా అంత ఈజీగా చూసుకొని రాయొచ్చు. సో హియర్ గ్రామర్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ దర్ హోమోఫోన్స్. సో నెక్స్ట్ టుమారో ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్ ఆల్. Children, don't worry, I will explain tomorrow for you. Everything I will explain, bit wise I will explain you. So no need to bother. Okay, question answers, one question answers only I am not giving. So that one also I will give. So here everyone listen the classes, online classes, everyone is listening. I am thinking, but I got it one word, so you are not listening, so all are not listening, whoever added. So why I don't know. So if you listen only, that is a future. If you this year all it is wasting, how you will be learn. So we are struggling for you, but you are not reading. So if you listen, whoever you are listening, please tell to your friends to listen, because how much struggle we are taking we know. So please listen and do hard work, children. You will be success in your life. Thank you very much, children. Again I will continue the lesson tomorrow. Thank you very much.